Hi, I'm Mike, the car wash manager from Saratoga Honda, and we're just going to do a quick walkthrough of what it's like when you pull in your car to get your VIP wash. As you pull in, you'll see this license plate reader camera. As your car pulls forward, the license plate camera will read your back plate and it'll look into our system to see if you're an active member. When our system finds you in our database, it'll give you the 4-star Dave, which includes the triple foam, tire shine, tire cleaner, undercarriage wash, and rain repel. As you pull forward to our pay station, it's going to ask if you'd like to upgrade your transaction. If you'd like to upgrade your transaction, you can choose from the Seabiscuit and the Secretariat. And on the pay station screen, you'll see a message that says, would you like to upgrade your transaction today? Yes or no. So we're going to show an example of saying yes, that we want to upgrade our transaction today. We just touch yes. And the two options are the Seabiscuit for an additional $5 or the Secretariat for additional $10. And when you get all the way in, you'll want to put your car into neutral, take your foot off the brake, take your hands off the wheel, and make sure your wipers are off.